Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I am working on an index card. If you didn't see my last video, these are index cards that I just did inky marks on a few years ago, and I've finally decided to do something with them instead of just saving them as they are. And I'm playing around with neon colors and just a simple focal point, I guess, is what you'd call that. And I saw, and I really wanted to do this cat. I saw somebody do one sort of in this style, and I thought it was so cute. Well, they had two cats on their thing, and I tried to find them again to see what their cats looked like, remind myself, and to give them credit. But I could not find them, so I don't think I follow them. I think I just saw it maybe under hashtag. So I'm really sorry that I'm not giving you credit. I did find several on the internet of the same style. So obviously it's been done before, but I really loved it and I thought it was so cute. I wanted one of my own. So I've sketched out, it's just a simple sort of abstract cat design, and I'm just going to paint it in. Now this Sumi ink, apparently it's not permanent. Or maybe it's because some of my puddles are bigger than others. But I do have to give this cat about 3 coats of paint to cover up the little ink marks. And I think you do in the background see the little ink squares. So they're maintained a little bit in that in the end. But yeah, so this is going to get 3 quick coats of, it's just craft paint. And I think it's called, I don't know, but I can tell you. That is Laguna Blue. I like that color. Especially after 3 coats. It actually looks a lot more blue in the video. Has a little bit more of a green cast to it in real life. At least I think so. So I'm trying to leave the spots for the eyes and then spots for that flower so that I'm not having to do too much over that, as well as the black that's already in the background. And it's kind of a chalky sort of paint, so, and it dries pretty quickly. Of course, it's still summer here, so it's pretty dry here. I think it was, well, today, which isn't the day I filmed that, today it was 85, which isn't too bad. It's been like in the 90s for a while. And pretty dry. So I do a couple of coats of yellow too, because I want to make sure it's covered. And a yellow is pretty transparent, so it takes a little bit to get that. I guess I figure if I put it on a little thicker, maybe it'll be more opaque. There we go. Doesn't look like much yet, but it'll get there. I decide to add pink in the background. I end up doing the same thing on this background as I did on my previous one with multiple layers because I wanted it to be more interesting and more intriguing, and I think one layer is kind of boring. Plus the fluorescents over that black kind of leave a weird kind of murky layer over the black, so and I'm at the bottom of those bottles of fluorescent paint, so they've got like chunks in them. I think after this project they'll have to retire those bottles. I think I might have thrown one of them away. I think I was out of the yellow by the end of this project. Trying to make a little bit of a green. Here I go with my little foam brayer. Just had to do something over that background. Wasn't making me happy. So now I gotta clean up my mess. So that's practically what, a fourth coat of paint over the over the cat. So how's everyone doing? I hope you had a great summer. If you're going back to school at this point, it's probably back to school for quite a few people. I think it's back to school for our neighborhood. If you're still in school. Not sure about colleges. I lost track. I've been out of college too long. Do you like his eyes? I think they're kind of fun. I did not put a highlight in his eyes. I'm thinking about it, looking back at the picture. I'm like, maybe if I could get one of my paint pens to work, white paint pens, I could put a little highlight in his eyes. You know, the ink marks on the original of the index card really don't play a part in any of these cards I've created. It's just there for interest, I guess. There's a few paintbrushes that I think I need to toss, and this one is one of them. Just want a really nice line around the outside. Trying to make kind of a thicker border. Really want my kitty to stand out. There, the mouth made all the difference. Did you know yellow and pink make orange? In the neon world? Alright, so that is dry, and now I'm going to put the back on, glue it onto the steno paper. I think that's what it's called, steno pad paper. I don't know, it's a really old notepad. And again, I'm using the same ink to just go around the edges and knock back the white. And I picked a word from my pile of words, and this one is charming. I thought it worked. And I am just picking random words for my pages. Well, I'm taking words that I already have. I guess that's as random as it gets. I pick from what I have. And I decided to number them. I don't know why, but they're getting numbered, and this one is number 2. Well, I hope you liked that. If you did, leave me a thumbs up or a comment. I appreciate your comments. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day.